Hey there, LuSHiners. Welcome to TranquiLush Meditation, your go-to place for peace in life's rush, with a generous side of laughter. If you've ever sat down to meditate and found yourself wondering, wait, what the heck does it mean to let go of thoughts? Or be the sky, not the clouds? You're not alone. This isn't your average meditation. Oh no, this is Fun-ditation. We're here to untangle those delightfully vague, sometimes mystifying meditation phrases you keep hearing, and actually understand what they mean without turning into a pretzel of confusion. All while chilling your nervous system, strengthening your focus, and boosting your mood. So why do you need this guided meditation? Let me break it down. Why people need this, and the juicy benefits, because trying to meditate shouldn't feel like deciphering a fortune cookie written in ancient Riddle code. Because laughter plus mindfulness equals a powerful science-backed cocktail for stress relief. Because inner peace doesn't have to come with inner pressure. Because you deserve a mental spa day without judgment or jargon. And because it actually works. Meditation reduces anxiety, improves sleep, boosts self-awareness, and even helps your immune system. Yup, science. So grab a cozy blanket, plop down on your favorite pillow, or just lie flat like a philosophical pancake. Close your eyes, or keep them open like a majestic owl. Your call. Let's take a deep breath together. Okay, LuSHiners, let's get into this funny, feel-good meditation journey through the wonderful world of weird meditation phrases. Part 1. Let go of your thoughts. The classic, let go of your thoughts. Sounds simple, right? Like dropping a hot potato. But here's the thing. If thoughts were potatoes, your brain is running a 24-hour, all-you-can-eat buffet. So when we say, let go of your thoughts, what we don't mean is evict every single idea from your head and become a monk instantly. What we do mean is, when a thought pops up, did I leave the oven on? What if bees had their own Wi-Fi? Just notice it. Then gently let it pass, like a paper boat on a lazy river. You don't need to jump in and fix the boat. Let's try it. Take a breath. Now, if a thought comes up, imagine you're at the movies. The thought is just a scene. You're not the actor. You're the audience. No need to run on stage and rewrite the script. If your brain is busy, that's okay. Brains do that. Your brain is like a golden retriever on espresso. Energetic and full of love. We're just gently training it to sit. Good boy, brain. Part 2. Be present. Another golden phrase. Be present. Not to be confused with being a present. You don't need to wrap yourself in shiny paper. Although mental sparkle is always welcome. Being present is about noticing what's happening right now. Not what happened in 3rd grade when you sneezed and the whole class said, ooh. and not what might happen tomorrow when you try to parallel park in front of your crush. It's now. This breath, this seat, this moment. Try it with me. Wiggle your toes. Feel the ground. Is it carpet? Hardwood? A pile of unfolded laundry you've been meaning to get to since 2020? It's okay. Feel it. That's presence. Take a breath. Boom! You're present. Look at you, being a mindful wizard. Part 3. Thoughts are clouds. Now, here's a visual. Your thoughts are clouds. Some folks hear this and panic. Oh no, my thoughts are thunderclouds. I'm a brainstorm. But that's okay. Clouds come in all forms. Some are fluffy, some are dramatic, but they all pass. Try this. Close your eyes. Imagine the sky. Big, blue, infinite. Now picture a thought, any thought. Maybe, did I feed the cat? Or what if I changed careers to become a professional kazoo player? Watch that thought float by in your inner sky. No need to chase it. No need to analyze the cloud shape. Just let it drift. Even if you have a full-on thunderstorm of stress, let it rumble. Skies clear eventually. You are the sky. Thoughts, just the weather. Part 4. Anchor your awareness. Sounds intense, right? Like we're about to set sail on a pirate ship of peace. Anchor your awareness just means find something real and steady to focus on. It could be your breath, the feeling of your butt in the chair. Yes, really. The sound of this silky voice in your ear. Let's try anchoring together. Focus on your breath. Feel the rise and fall, like gentle waves. Inhale. Exhale. Now, if your mind floats away on a banana boat of distractions, just gently return to your anchor. No yelling at yourself. No guilt trip. Just a gentle mental nudge. Hey, brain, back to the breath, please. Thank you, darling. Part 5. Sit with it. This one sounds like a punishment your grandma would give. You made that decision. Now, sit with it. But in meditation, sit with it means be with what you're feeling. If you're anxious, don't wrestle it like a greased pig. Just sit. Observe. Notice. You're not fixing. You're not judging. You're just sitting. It's like hosting a weird dinner guest in your mind. Oh, hey, anxiety. Didn't expect you tonight. There's lasagna in the fridge, if you're hungry. Sitting with it equals creating space. And weirdly, the more space you give your feelings, the less they yell. Let's practice. Take a breath. Bring to mind a feeling, maybe one you've been avoiding, like worry or menace. Say in your mind, "Hi there, you can hang out here for a bit. I'm not scared of you." Boom, you're brave. You're sitting with it. You're a cozy, emotional ninja. Look at you, LuSHiners. You just tackled 5 mysterious meditation mantras like the enlightened legend you are. We noticed our thoughts, floated with clouds, anchored our awareness, and even sat with our feelings like cozy champions. In part 2 of this Fun-ditation adventure, we'll explore what it really means to return to the breath. Open your heart and hold space like a cosmic, emotional butler. Until then, may your inner golden retriever be calm, your thoughts be floaty, and your brain buffet be well-stocked, but not overwhelming. This has been TranquiLush Meditation, where peace meets playfulness. See you in part 2, my fellow majestic owl.